Planning a trip to Ecuador? This short guide will help you understand the Ecuador Tourist Visa in a simple way. Ecuador welcomes travelers from many countries for tourism purposes. Some nationalities can enter Ecuador without a visa for a limited stay. Others need to apply for a tourist visa before traveling. If you are required to apply, the Ecuador Tourist Visa allows travelers to visit the country for tourism, sightseeing, and leisure activities. To apply, you must have a valid passport. Your passport should meet the required validity period at the time of travel. Applicants may also need to provide basic travel details during the application process. The application process is straightforward and completed online. You simply fill in the required details, upload the necessary information, and submit your request. Once submitted, your application is reviewed. After approval, the tourist visa is issued electronically. With your Ecuador tourist visa, you can enjoy the country's natural beauty, culture, and unforgettable travel experiences. Start your application today and get ready to explore Ecuador with confidence.